Hi there, my name is Chad McDole with Pettijohn Auto Center. I want to shoot you a video on this F-350 Lariat dually back here. I'm going to give you a walk around, and let me tell you, some good reasons to do business with Pettijohns. Okay, there's a lot of organizations out there in the industry. I know, I'm a car sales guy, and you don't trust us, you don't trust the organizations, they put in extra fees, they find ways to make extra money. Guess what? We are on our 4th generation, family owned, close to 100 years we've been around. We don't charge you a single penny extra. We don't charge you for financing, we don't charge you for not financing. We don't charge you a dock fee, an admin fee, a nitrogen in the tire fee, you name it. There will be no hidden fees here, I promise you. And would an ethical place that's not concerned about customer service provide you with free pickup and delivery for any service appointments within an hour drive? Probably not. All right? Give me a call, ask for Chad. Let me show you this truck. This is a 19 F-350 Lariat Super Duty with cab lights. It's a dually with the long box and a bed liner in the box. It's the FX4 off-road, okay, package with the Super Duty seal in the back. Obviously the tow package on an F-350, but it's got the FX4, which is kind of the sport package. You got chrome on the front with your tow hooks and chrome on the side with the Lariat badge on the side, the big mirrors, 6.7 Power Stroke diesel engine. Let me get you on the inside and show you around. Right here you got the keypad to get you inside as well, in case you get locked out. You have the chrome running boards here. It's a full crew cab. The wood grain accents here with power windows, power locks. You got leather interior throughout. You got the console in the middle with the cup holders here for your passengers in the rear. Power sliding back window with defrost. Got all sorts of chargers back here. You got your plug, 2 USBs, an auxiliary charger. It's got the console in the middle, so you got the vents for your passengers in the rear. Lots and lots of space for days back here. You also have, this is kind of neat, a little compartment that this actually folds up. And it'll go flat if you don't want it, or if you do, it's there for easy access. And then that just flops back down for your passengers. All right, so in here, obviously you got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power folding mirrors right here, okay? And then this is your extender, so it'll extend your mirrors out if you need that, which is great to have on a dually because you're gonna need that when you're hauling. Lights on your mirrors, automatic head beams, power adjustable pedals right here for your brake and your gas, which can make you super comfortable while you're driving along roads and hauling. Okay, this button right here controls your center screen, so we can change. We got 7.4 miles, you can get your miles per hour. Def level fluids, you get gas, mileage, you get tire pressure, all sorts of stuff. Whatever there's lots of options you can choose from. Okay, you got your cruise control here, your radio controls here, volume and change your station, your source here, Bluetooth, we can hook up your phone. You got your electronic on the fly 4-wheel drive, your trailer brake. Now this has AM, FM, and satellite radio. Okay, we can also hook up Bluetooth and play music through your phone. You got your climate control up here as well. Bluetooth, set up your phone. It's also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If you haven't seen Apple CarPlay, that's super cool. Go check out my YouTube channel, search Chad McDole and find out Apple CarPlay. Some awesome trailering cam options for this truck. You got your exhaust brake here that you can use at lower speeds, hill descent which you can use at lower speeds. You can use exhaust speed at brake at high speeds as well. I'm sorry. Here's your radio controls, dual climate control, which comes in the Lariat. Heated and cooled seats as well that come in the Lariat. You got USB chargers down here. It does come with remote start and the key fob right there and keyless entry. You got the console, the giant console here for lots of space, and leather interior. You've also got a 110 plug and another auxiliary charger there. Okay. You got the upgraded stereo with tweeters and speakers everywhere. Auxiliary switches right here. You got 6 of them, and your power sliding back window as well right there. Okay. I'll give you the price here in a second. There's your look at the Lariat. Thanks for being here as always. I appreciate your time. I really do. We have this truck, MSRP is at $70,000. We got this truck on our website at $64,730. You can buy it for $64,730. It's a pretty good discount from the MSRP. You don't see rebates on these trucks, and so we're trying to be very aggressive and discount it. We got lots of heavy duty and super duty trucks right here, right now. So if you have needs, give me a call, ask for Chad. If you like my videos, share them, like them, comment them. Check me out on any social media platform and subscribe to my channel on YouTube and ask for Chad. I'm trying to offer you value and do things that you appreciate and that you like, and educate you on all the technology in these vehicles. And I want to sell you a car. I want to help you. So ask for Chad. Again, not a single dealer fee, free pickup and delivery for service appointments, 4th generation family owned, and we look forward to hearing from you. I hope you have a fantastic day and be awesome. Don't ever pay dealer fees. And I look forward to hearing from you and helping you. Have a great day.